Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. In a previous tutorial, we made a cute plush wombat friend for Kira Bailey. So today, we are back to share with you how to make the cage and cart from the Animal Rescue set. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, subscribe and share. You can also check out our Instagram at Always Dolls Official for craft updates and sneak peeks. Annie, I found Sir Walter hiding amongst the scrub. He doesn't look so good. Let's have a look. Will he be okay? You brought him to the right place. I'll fix him just like new. We took our little friend, Sir Walter Willoughby Wombat, with us to the shops to find a packaging container that was big enough to be his rescue cage. It is made of a thinner plastic with an attached lid. After cleaning, draw the breathing slits on the sides of your container. It has 3 on either side of the centre line. Next, take an X-Acto knife or precision tip scissors to cut out the slits. We found this pair of scissors in the stationery aisle of Kmart. It was inexpensive and has bonus non-stick coated blades. Once all the slits are cut out, mark and cut the opening for the cage door. We will make this later. It's time to paint. The American Girl version has 2 colours. To match this, we used White Knight's bright orange spray paint for the top half of the cage. Once dry, we masked off this area with an old plastic bag, then painted the bottom half with British Paint's bright pink. Next, measure the opening you made earlier. Ours is 7 centimetres by 6 centimetres. To make the cage door, we are going to use barbecue skewers. Cut the skewer sticks to the size of your measurements. Lay down the horizontal sticks first, then place the vertical ones on top to make a grid pattern. Adhere the sticks where they intersect with liquid glue or hot glue. Paint silver. Attach the door by feeding thin strips of sticky tape through the gaps in the cage bars. Place the door in its closed position, then press the tail ends of the tape to both the outside and inside of the cage wall. Quick, easy, and effective. Since the AG Rescue set comes with a blanket, we took a sheet of mint-coloured felt and cut a rectangle the same size as our cage floor. We made the handle from recycled paperboard, painted the same orange colour, and affixed it to the top with liquid glue. To transport Sir Walter back to the rescue centre, we need a cart. Inspiration for this came from fellow YouTuber Perky Tomato's DIY mini red wagon tutorial. From paperboard, cut 2 rectangles larger than your cage for the base. A front and back panel with a 1 cm bottom tab. Trim away a rectangle from just the front piece as seen on screen. You also need 2 side panels. We have added extra length to the ends for corner tabs. It's optional, but to match the AG design, draw 2 rows of diamond shapes on each paperboard piece. Use an X-Acto blade or your precision scissors to cut them out. It takes a bit of time, but looks really effective. To assemble the cart, put glue on the tabs of your cart walls and glue to the underside of one base piece. Put more glue on the corner tabs to secure the front and back panels. Flip upside down and add more liquid glue, then place the second base rectangle, sandwiching the tabs for a strong connection. Once the glue has dried, you can paint the cart. We used White Knight's Sky Blue. Here we collected milk caps for wheels. You need 8 in total. The axle is a length of wooden dowel and a straw that is slightly larger in diameter so the dowel will slip inside. Find the centre of the milk cap, place the dowel over this spot and trace around it. Carefully cut out the circle. Do this for 4 of your caps. For an axle mount, cut, stack and glue rectangles of paperboard to be at least 1 cm thick. Hot glue to the underside of the cart, then glue just the straw to the mount. Paint blue. Next, push your dowel through the milk cap, securing with hot glue. Add more hot glue around the rim and attach the second whole cap. For more detail, glue a circle of white poster board to the outside of the cap. Thread the dowel through the straw before adding the opposite side bottle cap. Trim off the excess dowel, then close the wheel with another bottle cap. Again, glue on a white poster board circle for extra detail. The wheels really turn for a functioning cart. Repeat for the back wheel set. So the dolls can pull the cart, we made the handle just like Perky did in her tutorial. To match the AG version, we painted the grip blue and the pole silver. Lastly, hot glue a short segment of straw to the bottom of the pole. This will slip over the drawbar, which is a length of cake pop stick affixed to the inside of the cart's front wall. Your rescue cart and cage are ready for action. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls, and we'll see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!